The Dual Grit Pro is a double-sided sharpening stone for knives which is universal and designed for the complete sharpening cycle from coarse removal to intermediate honing. One side is for quick bevel formation, restoring geometry, and aggressive metal removal. The other side is for cleaning the edge, smoothing, and preparing for final polishing. The durable copper polymer bond ensures stable performance and long-lasting use, suitable for all types of steel, including hard, alloyed, and powder steels. An optimal choice for field conditions, workshops, and home use. Works effectively both dry and with water, oil, or abrasive suspension,